Can you draw the bond line diagram of 1,2-dibromo 3-chloro-cyclopropene? Look at the name, there is propene in it, which means that there will be a double bond and there will be 3 carbon atoms. So let's first draw a triangle. Then we can draw a double bond here. Any one of the carbon atoms with the double bond can be labeled as the carbon atom 1 and the other will become the carbon atom 2. The remaining will be the carbon atom 3. Now from the name we can see that at carbon atom 1 and 2 we have bromine atom attached. So at carbon atom 1 I am going to draw a bromine. Similarly at carbon atom 2 I am drawing another bromine. What is attached at carbon atom 3? It's a chlorine group. So at carbon atom 3 I can draw a Cl. This is the bond line diagram of 1,2-dibromo 3-chloro-cyclopropene.